In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install LibreOffice Base database on Windows 10. We're going to get LibreOffice Base up and running, create a brand new database file, design a simple table, and start entering data. If you already have LibreOffice on your Windows 10 machine, you're ready to go. Base is the database component included in the LibreOffice suite, and it's perfect for organizing lists like customers, inventory, or projects. Start by opening LibreOffice from your Start menu or desktop. On the Start screen, choose Base Database. If you're already inside LibreOffice, you can also go to File, then New, then Database. This opens the database wizard, which will guide you through the initial setup. When the wizard appears, choose Create a new database, then click Next. This option tells Base to generate a fresh, empty database file that you'll design and manage locally. It's a good, safe starting point for most users. Next, you'll be asked how to handle registration and opening. Choose Yes, register the database so it's easy to access from other LibreOffice components if you ever need to. Also select Open the database for editing so it launches right away. Click Finish, give your file a clear, memorable name like mydatabase.odb and save it somewhere you'll remember, such as Documents. That .odb file holds your database structure and data. With the database open, look to the left panel and click Tables. Then choose Create Table in Design View. Design View lets you define the columns, called fields, that will store your information. In the first column, type the field name, such as ID, name, or age. In the Field Type column, choose the kind of data each field will hold. Use text, varchar, for names or emails, number, integer for whole numbers like an ID or age, and date for calendar dates. You can adjust properties like field length or default values in the lower pane if you need more control. A simple example might include ID as an integer, name as text, and email as text. Before saving, set a primary key so each record is unique. Right-click the ID field and choose Primary Key. This prevents duplicates and helps Base keep your data consistent. Now click Save and give your table a name, such as Customers. You'll see it appear under Tables. Double-click the table to open it in a spreadsheet like Data View. Start typing your entries into the rows, pressing Enter to move to the next record. Your changes are saved into the database file, so remember to save the overall .odb file when you're done. That's it. Your LibreOffice Base database is created, structured, and ready for data on Windows 10.